Are you a college student looking to make some extra cash? Are you a college student that wants to make that extra money online and just don't know how to do it? Well, I'm going to tell you a couple of things that I know a few college students are doing to make money online, even if you're a college student. This is Adam Shelton, and welcome to my video today. Welcome to this beautiful place. And today's video, we're going to talk about it. How can you make an income online, even if you're a full-time or even a part-time student? So if this is your first time here at this video, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is? Let's talk about it. Full-time student, right? Or even a part-time student, and you want to make some extra money online. Now, I just got through talking to a college student, and he said that he makes money on eBay. He sells like old things in his dorm room, he sells things from his garage, from at home, and that's how he makes money online. In fact, he used that extra money to pay for his tuition. So he has an eBay account, and what he does is he sells things online, like old things that he has or things that he buy, and he sells them from a different type of price. So he used eBay and Amazon to sell his stuff online, mainly eBay. He was eBay. And I was thinking, like, you know, I'm gonna do a quick video to let you know that it doesn't matter if you're a college student or a part-time student, you can make money online. So he uses eBay. Then I talked to another student that he actually used Amazon Associates, and he does videos just like this of selling products using Amazon. So he sells all kinds of different type of products on Amazon, mainly in the electronic area. Cell phones, he sells, you know, TVs, anything like computers, anything like that. So he sells those type of things. So I'm going to take a little walk right now, taking a little walk. But yeah, he sells things from eBay. The other guy sells things from Amazon, and the other person sells things from eBay. So you can go ahead and make an income online. You really can do that. So well, I'm going to tell you right below this video, I do have a place, an area that you can go ahead and start building your own online business as soon as humanly possible. It's not eBay, it's not Amazon, it's actually a training program that's going to help you and teach you how to market any type of program that you definitely do have. It's at a very, very low price. Click on that link below this video. So let me go ahead and take a walk. I'm at a college student right now. I'm at a college campus right now, and I would just talk to a couple of college kids about, you know, how you making money online. Would you like to make money online? Well, two students that I know of is doing it. They're making money online either through eBay and Amazon Associates. And I'm here to do this video to let you know you really can make money online, really. You just may have to be a little bit more, you may have to think outside the box a little bit more. You know, you may have to think about, you know what's the easiest way for me to do that? And online is the best way of doing that these days, because you can actually make money online while you're in class. You can make money online while you're actually getting ready to in class, right? So think about the other guy that sells eBay and Amazon. They're making money online probably today. So that's what I have for you today. I know you're watching this video, there's people in the background walking around, you're not sure I'm doing this video. Just click on that link below to get started and signing up on a program that can help you make money online, even if you're a college student, because you're probably a college student, you're watching this, or even a high school student. Click on a link below this video. You do have to be a certain age now. I don't want you to be 12 years old now, but you do want to be at least a college student or high school, like a senior in high school, to be able to do this program effectively, right? Because 2020 is all about winning. It's winning, results, winning. It doesn't matter if you're a college student. It doesn't matter if that you are a beginner. So click on that link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video message. Get signed up, make money online as a college student, even in sitting in class. You can make money while you're sitting in class. I want to go ahead and help you out and give you the opportunity to go ahead and do that. Click on that link below, and I'll see you on the inside.